Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect MediaTek Smart Device app on iPhone. So I'll be showing you how you can use it to receive WhatsApp messages and also use it to do phone calls. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Now, the first thing to do is to switch on the Bluetooth of your watch. So if you are using any smartwatch, W26 Plus smartwatch is what I'm using here. Just swipe down the watch screen and you're going to see this Bluetooth icon. Then you select the Bluetooth icon. You are going to see the Bluetooth settings with the power option and the visibility option. So you select the power option to be on. So you make sure it is on. When you switch it on, make sure both settings are on. All right, so once you have done that, the next thing to do is to go to your iPhone and switch on your Bluetooth, data, and location. So here, I'm going to switch on the Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth connection is on and the Wi-Fi or your data connection. And now you go to the location. So you go to the settings of your iPhone and you go down to the privacy. And you're going to see location settings. So you toggle on the location. So mine is already toggle on. So you toggle it on and you can now go back and keep the phone. The next thing to do here is to go to the Apple App Store and download the MediaTek Smart Device app iOS. So it's not on Google Play Store, it's only on Apple App Store. So you select your Apple App Store and when it launches, then you can go here to search. I'm going to search for MediaTek. As you can see it on the search bar, then you select MediaTek Smart Device. Yeah, this is the MediaTek Smart Device we're looking for. So you select the option Get. So when you select the option Get, it's going to come up as you can see. Then we have to install this and I have to input my password. So once you have downloaded the MediaTek Smart Device app, the next thing to do is to open the app. So when you open the app, you are going to see the pop-up message that says MediaTek would like to use your Bluetooth. Then you select OK. And once you see that on, then you can now turn on this option that says turn on categories on. So when that is on, you're going to see that every option here, like the active energy, blood glucose, body temperature, diastolic blood pressure, and every other settings will be turned on. Okay, so that is just for your use. Now, once you have done that, you select allow up here. And select allow is going to search for the Bluetooth devices around you. Now, you have a smartwatch here. So make sure it is still turned on. You go to the settings and make sure it is still turned on. So once you see that on, then come to your iPhone and you're going to see under devices watch 6. Then you select that and this is going to pair immediately. As you can see connected on the smartwatch, watch 6 connected, and a pop-up message that says Bluetooth pairing request. Then you select pair. And once you select pair, another pop-up will says allow watch 6 to display iPhone notifications. Then you select allow. And once you have done that, if there's any other settings you need to do, it will be on the smartwatch. Now, the next thing to do here is to minimize this. And let's see if you can make use of this with WhatsApp messages, okay? Now, I'm going to bring my phone here and send a message to this smartphone. So let's go to the message. Hi, subscribe. And let's say it's going to go. All right, message have been sent. Okay, message received here, as you can see. Hi, subscribe. And right on the smartwatch, you can see I subscribe. That means it is now working.
Oh my God! Wow!
So let's use our smartwatch to make call. So we'll go to our call. Let's just make a phone call. As you can see, it says Bluetooth not connected. Do you want to connect? You select connect. And when you select connect, let's see it's going to make call using the Watch 6 smartwatch. No. So to do this, as you can see, the call is not going through. What you have to do here is to go to the settings of your iPhone. Now, you have to connect the second Bluetooth, because this smartwatch actually uses two Bluetooth. That is Bluetooth 3.0 and Bluetooth 4.0. So your smartwatch may not use two Bluetooths, maybe just one. So let's just connect this and see how we can use it to make call. So the next thing to do is to go to the settings of your iPhone, and you go to the Bluetooth settings, and you are going to see one watch 6 has already been connected. Okay, then you are going to see another watch 6 that is going to pop up here. One watch 6 has already been connected. Okay, then you are going to see another watch 6 that is going to pop up here. So first thing to do is to go to this watch 6 and select the eye icon here, and make sure you have system notification, share system notification toggle on. Okay, so you go back and you are going to see that under the other devices option, another watch 6 is going to pop up. Okay, once it pop up, that is the second Bluetooth settings for this watch. Then you select that and it's going to connect it up. So now you have two Bluetooth connected to our watch, as you can see here. Now you have to select the second eye icon here and select sync contacts. Okay, once you do that, it's going to sync the contact on your iPhone to your watch 6 smartwatch. Once you have done that, then you can now go back to the home page, and let's try and use this smartwatch to make phone call. So let's swipe left to our phone dial and make a phone call. Then, as you can see, it says Bluetooth not connected. Then do you want to connect? Select connect option and dial. Now you can see that you can use it to make phone call. Okay, so now this is how to make use of your watch 6 and use it to make calls on your MediaTek smart device app. As you can see, it's working right now. You can use it to make calls, you can use it to receive WhatsApp messages and do every other stuff. So if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I remain Babatunde Omotayo, and I will see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.